In behavioral economics, the disposition effect is when a person feels the impulse to sell something that has its value suddenly increased and the need to keep something that has decreased its value. In the first case, if a trader has a position in the market that has just crossed the limit between loss and profit to the profitable side, the immediate impulse is to sell such position for a feeling of immediate reward. The whole scalping paradigm is built, among other things, under the disposition effect. This problem gets a little more interesting when we add the second part of the disposition effect, which is the propensity to keep a position in the market if it is on the loser side of the spectrum. Imagine the following situation. A trader opens one trade in the market without a stop-loss and profit-taking order. The trader is simply risking his money based on poor technical motives and perhaps no contextual understanding of the market whatsoever. In this scene, the emotional gauging related to this trade is completely up for grabs and it will probably be involuntarily attached to the objective notions of profit and loss appearing on the trading terminal. This is where the disposition effect clutches the situation and leads the trader through a frustratingly helpless destination, which is the state of being confused about trading, not to count the potentially awful capital losses that can occur. The problem here is that as soon as a trade goes into the positive side, the trader will try to close it acquiring a small profit, but the trader will hold the trade while it's negative with the hope it will come back to the positive side. This is hopeless of course because one trade going bad under this circumstance can wipe out a huge series of small and subsequent profits. The trading ethics in this case are completely the opposite of what they should be. Starting from the fact that not using stop and profit orders in the market is simply too irresponsible. Just imagine the devastating effects of aligning the disposition effect with hyperbolic discounting, the clustering illusion, the overconfidence effect, and all other biases that were presented here for that matter. As soon as we start to look at these things more closely, we can begin to understand how trading psychology is indeed very complicated.